once the Lifetime Advisor has finished running the calculations, it will identify any dates at which any thresholds might have been exceeded, with a potential explanation of why that is. The results are shown in a tabular and graphical format, as you can see on your screen. The user can generate an overall report, and the plots can be copied over to other locations by using the camera icon as above each plot. The tool reports dates at which the thresholds are consistently exceeded. This is a balance between the first time the predicted values crossed the threshold and the long-term trend. This generates a more conservative estimate. The cumulative probability failure considers factors such as extended operation at elevated temperature, excessive numbers of CIPs performed on the element, and similar factors to describe the likelihood of an element failure. The Lifetime Advisor leverages the Cleaning Advisor. Essentially, parts of the Cleaning Advisors are run in the background in the Lifetime Advisor. The two tools use the same underlying model to perform projections. You can download your report as a Word file or as an Excel document by clicking the button at the top. An Excel document is generated. Once you open the file, you'll see the results, prediction, results based, this is the data used to calculate and for prediction. These are the settings used for the calculations, and this is the raw data used. As you open the Excel document, the first tab will have the lifetime analysis results. The next tab will have the prediction results. The other tab has the settings used for the calculations. And the last tab has the process data, which is the raw data that was entered originally. You can also download the Word report. You can also download the report in a Word file